Hey guys, I'm back again with another one. It's Ilian from Ilian's Income Building System. I hope you're doing well. I hope your family are well. And I have another job opportunity, another remote job opportunity. And it is with the company called Signet Jewelers, okay? And it's to be a remote seasonal customer experience specialist. Wow, nice. All right. Signet Jewelers is the world's largest retailer of diamond jewelry, operating more than 2,800 stores worldwide. Join our sparkling team as a remote seasonal customer experience specialist. We are now hiring for September 2024. Are you ready to dive into a role where you'll be the shining star in our Signet Jewelers family? We're on the hunt for vibrant individuals who can thrive and connect with people and spread love through their interaction. We would like for you to dazzle customers with your charm and problem-solving prowess, all from the comfort of your home. With this job, you will channel your energy into phone conversations or chat that will leave our customers dazzled and delighted. You will ensure that every phone calls end with a sparkle of satisfaction. You will independently navigate our systems with the backing of our supportive leadership team. You will assist both internal and external customers with everything from selecting the perfect piece to resolving any concerns with grace and empathy. You will embrace the challenge of multitasking in a fast-paced environment. You will embrace change and personal growth, and you will exceed in your customer service level. Who are we looking for? We're looking for someone who will be confident, proactive with problem solving, someone who will be tech savvy, someone who can navigate Microsoft Suite and Google Chrome, someone who is empathetic and who will look to make her customers happy, someone who has time management, someone who is a master of communication, both written and verbal, and someone who can turn a conversation into celebration. And we would like for you to have sales skills that you can negotiate and spark the interest into a dazzling sale. Why you will love being a part of our team. Well, join our diverse, welcoming culture that celebrates you. We provide all the bling-worthy equipment you need to shine from your home. And we will give you a starting pay rate of $16.50, plus overtime opportunities and employee discounts that will make your heart skip a beat. Eligible members who pass the Spanish language proficiency assessment will earn an additional pay rate. So if you're bilingual, that will be a plus. You will immerse yourself into 6 weeks of paid training to polish your brilliance to perfection. And you will get rewarded for spreading the sparkle by referring friends and family to join our gem-loving crew. So they are hiring a lot of people, guys. So you can apply and you can tell your family and friends about it. All right. And they said, hey, just say yes to this sparkling opportunity and apply today. Don't forget to include your resume. It is time to shine. Get ready to dazzle in your virtual interview through Microsoft Teams. We will provide all the sparkle-worthy details once you are on board. Work with us, Signet Jewelers. Wow, sounds great, guys. Everything is sparkle, sparkle, dazzle, dazzle, and they just want you to work in that type of tone. All right, making customers happy, making everything seem wonderful and dazzling, like diamond and all of that, right? So guys, again, they pay $16.50 per hour. It's remote work, and it's with the jewelry company called Signet Jewelers. All right, so go ahead and apply and begin to shine. All right, go ahead and apply and dazzle on your interview session. All right, okay, and the link to apply will be in the description section. And again, they are hiring a lot of people, multiple people. So you can apply and you can bless someone by sharing this job opportunity, this remote job opportunity to work for Signet Jewelers with your friends and family. Okay, so again, this is Ilian from Ilian's Income Building System. Go ahead and subscribe if you have not subscribed to my channel as yet. And this channel is to bring remote job opportunities and also business ideas, okay, and business opportunities. And guys, I offer a business opportunity to sell digital products, ebooks, and I'm also a part of a digital course community. And this digital course community teaches you multiple streams of income. It gives you so many ways, step by step video modules that will show you how to start different businesses, okay? And you will also get a vendors list, an ebook with vendors in it, so that you can start your business if you would like, jewelry business, have a fashion boutique. If you want to have a hair styling business, you can do that as well. Also, the course community will teach you how to be a virtual assistant if you would like and have your own virtual assistant business. It will also teach you Amazon FBA. It will also teach you how to do Airbnb. It will teach you how to market on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. And it also gives you a course that you can resell, and also free ebooks, okay, to resell, and you get 100% profits. Not only that, it's a business where you get business plus God. All right, so it's a faith-based business, a Christian-based business. And so while you're getting all the business gems, you will also get encouragement, daily encouragement to stay strong in your faith and to continue living righteously and in holiness for the Lord Jesus Christ. All right, so the link for that too, to join the course community that I'm a part of, it is called Kingdom Wealth Academy. You can go to my website, ebookdigitalbiz.com. All that information is in the description, along with the job that I shared today. So guys, take care and be a blessing to others by sharing this channel, Ilian's Income Building System. Take care now.